Welcome to the Laurel Loop Trail in the Prince William Forest Park in Triangle, Virginia. This is a 1.4-mile loop that I swore was marked as easy. It was not. It is actually considered moderate, but we did see people with all-terrain strollers. It was crowded, but supposedly they have downtimes throughout the year. You will come across rock outcrops, and we noticed a lot of tacky people had carved into the trees. There are a lot of trails in the area, and this forks off in a few places and meets up with other trails. There is a shorter walk over a bridge that doesn't take you quite as close to the actual water until the end of it, but that was in the process of being built while we were there, so it might be on the newer maps. The loop begins and ends with a picnic area that has restrooms. See the description below for the National Park's dedicated trail page, a page for the other hikes in this park, a geology e-walk that they offer, and a Washington Post article about tree vandalism.